Is your 1998 Ford Ranger refusing to turn over? Let's troubleshoot the most common starting failures in this quick guide. Over 70% of no-start issues on this platform are related to simple electrical connections rather than internal engine failure. Before you spend money on parts, we need to narrow down the problem systematically. Start by checking your battery terminals and fuses, but always ensure you disconnect the negative terminal before working on electrical components. The starter solenoid on the inner fender is a frequent failure point, often causing that familiar click but no engine crank. If the engine cranks but won't start, focus your attention on the fuel system or a faulty neutral safety switch. Most electrical repairs can be handled in your driveway, but fuel pump replacements are better left to a professional shop. This chart shows the relative cost of parts for these common repairs, helping you budget for the fix. Use a multimeter to verify voltage at the starter solenoid, or perform a manual bypass test if you feel confident. Keep a basic socket set and a reliable multimeter in your kit to handle almost any electrical diagnosis. Always remember the golden rule: don't replace the starter until you confirm it is actually getting power. Thanks for watching and good luck getting your 1998 Ford Ranger back on the road today.